Hi, my name is Mrs. Hatterberg. Welcome to Geography and World Cultures at MNBA. This is HST 212 or 213. Both of them will be the same content and the same readings. The only difference between the core and the comprehensive sections are just a few assignments. Right now, for this very first video, I'm just giving you a little bit of a tour of how you access the class, the important course tools you're going to need throughout the semester. And if you have any questions, make sure you Skype or email me after watching this video. Okay, so one thing to remember always is that my screen is going to look different than your screen because I have the teacher screen. So when you go to access your classroom, you should get something that looks like this. And then you'll access your geography class. For this section, we're just going to section 1. Okay, and right here is where you'll see my weekly announcements posted every Monday morning. So right here we're starting at week 2 because actually it's the second week of the semester. Your first week was onboarding or MNBA week with all your fun CCs. And you can use this drop down click right here to see what you are supposed to do. So each week I'll say last week you should have completed these items, and our next CC is today at 2 p.m. Hopefully you can make it. And then right here you'll see what you should be doing for this week. Okay, when it's actually down here, that means it's actually due that day. Okay, if it's just right up in this section, it's what you should be completing, what you should be working on. Okay, so today it says you're supposed to start topic 1.1, writing about the world, study 1, and then complete this discussion board. But where do you find that? Well, if you go over here, you'll see Unit 1 listed out. These are all drop-down menus. You can click here, and you just go right down the row. So here's your introductory discussion. You can see that people have already started to post. You can go to topic 1.1, writing about the world, and start your reading here. If you scroll down, let's go to the next page. If you scroll down, you are able to click between the pages and read them all at your own pace. The other things that are important to check, here's your course home that gets you back to the main page. The syllabus, so all my rules, a little bit about me is right here. The calendar for the entire course from now until the end of the semester is found right here. Teacher contact information, you need to get a hold of me, call me at my desk. This is the number. My daily office hours are at 11 o'clock, and I will be updating this soon. And the link you can find for both my office hours and the Class Connect schedule, you'll find it on your home page. The other important tool that you're going to need and use frequently, hopefully throughout the semester, is your gradebook. I'm not going to actually click on it right now because it will actually open everybody's gradebook, so I don't want to disclose that information, but you'll click here and you can see all the things that you have. A good rule of thumb is that if it is a 0, that probably means it's a missing assignment. It does not mean you can't still turn it in. It just means that it's a missing assignment and you need to turn it in. And if you turn that in, then you can get points. You can go to the Dropbox here, and here you'll see all the Dropboxes are created for the test part 2s. And this is also where you'll have Dropboxes for your study guide packets. Study guide packets, I'll talk more about them at our first CC, but you can turn those in for extra credit. Doc sharing is where I'll post things that if you need to download them if I need to send things out or articles that I want you to read, I'll put them in doc sharing. So you can go here and download everything you need. You saw that you wanted to turn in those extra credit packets. Here's a way that you can get them, and you can get them early, depending on how far ahead you want to work. All right, that's about it. And if you have any questions, make sure you contact me either by Skype or by email, and I'm always here to help you. All right, hopefully I'll see you at our very first CC, and stay tuned for more videos to come.